Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the layer so you can always revert. Next, make a precise selection around the object you want gone. Use the lasso for freehand, polygonal for straight edges, or quick selection for complex shapes. Once you have a selection, set a small feather, about 0.5 to 5 pixels depending on resolution, to blend edges later. Make sure to hide the background copy as needed, because working on a duplicate preserves non-destructive editing. Once the selection is ready, use Edit Fill and Pick Content Aware to let Photoshop synthesize replacement pixels. Check Sample all layers if you worked non-destructively. After that first pass, switch to the Spot Healing Brush to clean small artifacts. This tool matches texture automatically, so paint gently. If areas still look off, use the healing brush for sampled texture or the clone stamp for precise structure, lowering opacity to around 20–70% and sampling nearby pixels to gradually build natural continuity. To finish, create a layer mask and paint with a soft black/white brush to refine transitions. This is safer than erasing. Then match grain and color. Add Camera Raw filter or tiny Gaussian blur to blend sharpness, and use curves or color balance to match tones. Zoom out to confirm natural results at 100% and full image view. If something goes wrong, undo selectively, reduce brush strength, or try the patch tool on the problematic spot. These steps quickly recover a natural look without starting over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.